All right, let's do these last three problems. This one, not in good shape here. See how these aren't lined up correctly? I like x's and y's like this, so I'm going to trade these two places. So the top one I'm going to keep x plus 3y equals 12. The bottom one is going to be x subtract 3y equals 30. So I had to put them in line before I could add. And this one's really nice because it has a positive 3y and a negative 3y, so I know I'm ready to eliminate. So 2x, positive 3y, negative 3y eliminate, equals 42. Divide both sides by 2, so x equals 21. So I know this one's going to have one solution. When x is 21, I need to figure out what y is. So I'm going to put 21 for x back into this top equation, plus 3y equals 12. So subtract 21 from both sides. So 3y equals 12 minus 21 is negative 9. Divide both sides by 3, so y equals negative 3. This system of equations has one solution. The solution is 21, negative 3. That's the only values for x and y that make both of these a true statement. All right, look at the next one. This one's out of order. So I've got to move these three x's to this side to make it work. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So this is negative 3x plus 3y equals negative 27. The other one is x plus 8y equals 0. So it looks to me like the easiest thing to cancel would be the x's, and since this one has negative 3, I'm going to take this one times positive 3. So the top equation stays the same. The bottom equation, I'm going to multiply everything times 3. So 3x plus 24y equals 0. So these eliminate. 27y equals negative 27. Divide both sides by 27. So y equals negative 1. Then I'm going to go back and substitute. I can either substitute in the top equation or the bottom equation. I'm going to choose the bottom equation. X plus 8 times negative 1 equals 0. So x minus 8 equals 0. So x equals 8. Last problem, and this one looks kind of crazy. So I want to make sure I get it all matched up first. I'm going to have g's, h's, and I'm going to move my number over there. So 0.1 g minus h equals negative 4.3. This one I want it in the same order, so I've got to move my g's to this side. Since they're negative over here, they're going to be positive over there. So 0.2 g. I want to move my h over there, so minus h equals, and then I need to move my 3.6 over to this side. This looks pretty good, except for these are both negative. So I'm going to take this entire bottom equation times negative 1. So I have 0.1 g minus h equals negative 4.3. The bottom one is negative 0.2 g plus h equals positive 3.6. So these are going to eliminate. That's good. 0.1 subtract 0.2 is negative 0.1 g equals negative 0.7. So divide both sides by negative 0.1 and you get g equals 7. And then I'm going to go back and put that in up here. So I have 0.1 g, and g is 7, minus h plus 4.3 equals 0. So 0.7 minus h plus 4.3 equals 0. So negative h plus 5 equals 0. So negative h equals negative 5. So h equals positive 5. So in this case, if g is 7 and h is 5, both of these become true statements.